Hello everyone from the HONOR UK community and beyond. This is Sasko from the community, and I've been lucky enough to be picked as one of the HONOR MagicBook CEOs along with Stoppit and Haley B. So I want to thank the HONOR community team for picking us. It was really great, and indeed one could say an honour, and I promise that will be my only bad pun for this unboxing video. Let's see if I keep to that. But yeah, I had to battle some delivery issues getting this during the pandemic, so that was a bit of fun, but it did indeed finally arrive. So without much further ado, I'm going to crack this box open. It's a neat little package, and it's quite light, which is helpful when you're trying to open these things, I hope. Well, as you can see, it lets you know you're going to have your charger on that side, so you don't just throw it away in case you think it's a pair of instructions or something. We'll get this out first. The laptop is going to come out itself. There we go. Take that out of the way. Take out what I believe is the charger and the charging lead. And this charger should be a maximum of 65 watts, depending on what device, and it should actually work for your phones as well. So that'll be really handy cutting down on cables. So hopefully I'll just have to carry this USB-C cable and the laptop charger, a laptop and a phone, and that should be about it in the bag, so that should really help. And I'm just going to tear that bag open, and it is indeed a USB-C, nice and neat with a little Velcro strap there to keep it tidy. I probably won't keep it tidy, but the intention is there, so that's something. The UK style charger with the little nub there, and it's, as I said, 65 watt max. Very neat. That really is. It's a little heavier than one of the superchargers from HONOR, but not very much. So that should be really portable, which is a big thing with this. Just getting rid of clutter and being able to. Ooh, look at that. And there's some obligatory notes about, indeed, where the charger is. I guess they really want to make sure you don't throw that away, which would not be a good idea. And this MagicBook 14, as you can probably guess, is the space gray color. That is absolutely gorgeous. Hope you can see that on the HONOR logo winking away there. That is really beautiful. It is, and so small and neat. As you can see, there's hardly any bezel at all, which is great. And it's obviously equipped with a AMD Ryzen 3500U processor, so that's going to be 4 full cores and 8 threads, so that should be great for multitasking. And as you can see here, there's a little sheet giving you information on the important features that you might not be used to, such as the fingerprint scanner here, which doubles as the on-off button as well. And we have the really gorgeous thing here, I really love this, is the pop-up camera. So if you feel you don't want people watching you eating your lunch during your meeting, you just pop it down and that's it. And this little sheet just lets you know that you're to charge it before powering it on. I'm going to find it very hard to follow that advice, so that is absolutely gorgeous. And I hope you can see here, while I'm reflecting a tiny bit on that screen, it is a lovely matte finish, so that should really help with avoiding glare, etc. And one of the main features I think I'm really excited to try out is the HONOR Magic Link. So I'll be able to connect this up to the Honor 20 Pro that I have, and it should really be great with screen mirroring, etc., and be able to control my phone straight from the laptop. But yeah, I really can't get over that color. That is really gorgeous. It's almost like a gunmetal gray. Yeah, that is going to be beautiful. And as you can see, with no real bezel to speak of, it means that this machine is ultra compact. That is really great. But while it's compact, it still has a nicely sized keyboard. And even yeah, that is really nice. Very neat. And the integrated trackpad, I'm actually surprised it's so long, so it's actually decent space for control. That is really great. And I intend, after this unboxing video, I'm going to be very good, follow the instructions and power it up. And once I've powered it up, I am going to be making a new video which will include the head-to-head with my much older Lenovo laptop, which is a IdeaPad Z500. And as you can see, even though the screen size is not much bigger, it is pretty hefty and actually quite heavy. The sort of thing you're kind of worried if you're going to drop if you're holding it in one hand. But the MagicBook is really neat. Very light. So that really is going to just pop in your bag and you're good to go. I really cannot wait to turn off this video and plug it in so I can get cracking on it. But I want to say thanks again to the community and the community team in particular for picking us to give this a spin, and hope you come back and see what I come up with in the new video. And I'll be doing some benchmarks, etc., against the Lenovo laptop, and we'll see how it stacks up. And without further ado, I'm going to sign off here and get cracking on that review. Thank you very much.